When it comes to choosing the right cable for access control installations, Genesis Cable's Profusion technology delivers an ideal balance of reliability and ease of use. Especially effective over longer runs, Profusion components are twisted like a rope, clinging together while easily maneuvering around bends and corners for smooth, snag-less runs. Color-coded with applications clearly marked on them, Profusion cable components are unconstrained by adhesives or thick overall jackets, allowing for easy separation. No binders, no material waste, no hassle. Profusion's revolutionary technology bundles individual lock power, door contact, card reader, and request-to-exit wiring together in a single jacketless cable, facilitating faster, easier installations than individual cables. And at a lower cost than jacketed options, Profusion saves both time and money. Use Profusion access control cables and experience smoother runs, less waste, reduced labor costs, and a hassle-free experience, job after job. Genesis Cable.